This video is for education purposes only. Today I don't suggest any tools or websites for making money online. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I provide full information on the tools and websites/apps in the form of a tutorial. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel, and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
In this video, I suggest one of the best learning websites. On this site you can apply for different kind of courses free and improve your skill. This site belongs to Government of India and many people of India do not know about that, so I make a video on, and please share this video to everyone who has interesting to improve their skill and make money online. Let's know about them. If you want to enroll them, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel for knowledgeable videos. Thanks. What about Eskillindia site? Today has digitalization on boom. With rapid digitalization, there is a high demand for a digitally skilled workforce across sectors in the country. Eskillindia fulfills this need by providing an effective e-learning platform that offers access to a plethora of skilling programs, helping make India job ready for a digital future. What is an NSDC certificate? Online NSDC certificate courses. National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, is a public-private partnership company with the primary mandate of catalyzing the skills landscape in India. We provide value-added certification courses in various skills through NSDC which help our students to gain an extra edge. What are the courses in Eskillindia? CAD, CAM, tally accounts, glass cuts and polishing, heat treatment, flash gaming, lens grinding, microprocessing, entrepreneurship skill development programs and trainers programs including bakery products, water cooler repair, AC, games and CAD, CAM. We cannot overstate the value of e-learning in our collective effort to provide skilling opportunities to Indian youth. NSDC has created the Eskillindia e-learning aggregator platform to help with this. The aggregator reinforces the skillful internet of B2C e-learning portals. These portals also develop and provide content for e-learning in a hub and talk. In order to share the strengths of several e-learning players who are strong in specific skill sectors. This offers skills seekers the opportunity to select an e-learning course from a combined catalog by bringing the supply and demand side together. Friendly navigation, promptings, and search mechanisms to make a choice possible. Existing NSDC, schema-based or not scheme-based, applicants can access the e-learning using their SDMS authenticated candidate ID. New users can create their own connections. The aggregated e-learning possibilities may be free or paid for. Every participating knowledge partner shall collect payments directly in the case of paid courses. NSDC aggregator tracks student progress in e-learning courses across aggregate portals. Throughout the course of the e-learning, students should be attentive to awards and offers for early success in e-learning. NSDC e-learning aggregator portal, advantages go digital, classroom without walls, qualifying opportunities for aspiring students across local and spatial boundaries. Barriers to breakage. Get qualified, one stop for e-skilling. First of all, NSDC's e-skilling initiative at the national level with an extensive course catalog. Achieve career objectives. Easy access, on-the-move skills. Learn at the comfort and pace of yourself. Bring skills to the door. What is the development of skills? What is the development of skills? Skills development is the process of 1. Identifying your skills gaps and 2. Developing and refining your skills. It's important because your skills determine your ability to successfully execute your plans. Your skills are your tools for goal achievement. Your goal is the house. Who can apply for the India Skills Program? Or if you're self-employed. In addition, you can also easily qualify for this secured loan, as it has lenient eligibility criteria, and you can conveniently repay it over a flexible period of up to 20 years. Many types of government schemes are such as 1. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra. 2. India International Skills Centre, IISC, Network. 3. Technical In-House Training Program, TITP. 4. SICO or CAMAO. 5. The Swades Here You Learn free courses. Grab the opportunity. I hope you all really like this video and share this video with your friends. Leave a comment what's your opinion about the video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Good luck.